PTZ comes with a 12-volt 3-amp power supply. Make sure you use the one that comes with it, and it's within 10 to 20 meters off the camera, otherwise you get a voltage drop. User manual. Here you've got 3 cables. One is ground and 2 are for the RS485. You don't need to use them because the telemetry, which is the movement control, comes over the BNC cable. That's for the 12 volts input from the power supply. There's also an optional ceiling mount pendant. The camera is 10 times zoom, and it's also fast speed with presets. Power up the camera, and within a few seconds you should get the self-test display come up. Main thing to watch out for is the protocol. It's on automatic. It'll automatically configure itself depending on what the DVR is outputting through the RG59 coaxial cable. So the camera has now finished this self-test and gone to its first home position. First thing to do is test that the camera is actually communicating via the telemetry. If for some reason it doesn't move, just double check the connections and then check the settings. This is shown on a Hikvision TVI recorder. It's exactly the same on the OEM, which are made by Hikvision, just a different display color. Here you'll see the only parameter you can adjust is the protocol, which should be set to Hikvision Coaxitron. Next you'll need to set the presets, which are effectively memory positions. Here I've input one as the first position and clicked on set, and move it to the second place where I want the camera to go to. Adjust the zoom. Key in the second position and click on set, and that will memorize the second position. It also briefly appears on the screen saying it's been accepted. Now I'm going to do position 3, 4 and 5 in this example. By the way, there's a night clip at the end of this video, so you might want to fast forward if that's all you want to see. Just checking to make sure all the presets have been accepted. All you need to do is put the preset number in. 2 in this example, then press call and it will go to the second position. Here I'm doing number 4 and then 5. Next we'll need to program the patrols, which is a collection of presets that you've just programmed. Here I'm adjusting the duration, which is the amount of time it stays on a particular position. and then the speed determines how fast it moves and how fast it zooms in. I'm going to do all 5 of them just to show you what it's like. You can of course skip by this section if you wish. That's the first patrol program with 5 presets. Once it's saved, I just need to call up patrol 1 and make sure it's running, which it is here, as you can see. Now I'm going to exit the setup screen of the DVR and go to the live screen. Just checking, making sure the PTZ is still working. If I click on General, click on Call Patrol, this will initiate what we just programmed a few seconds ago. This is the patrol, which is a collection of 5 presets. If you need to go to an individual preset at a time, then you can click on Preset and followed by the number, and that will just go to one preset at a time. The colour is slightly off on this because it's clouded over. It's actually darker than it appears on the screen. It's about to rain and thunderstorms. Coming up next is the night clip. The site is actually quite bright, so you may not get these results that you're going to see in a few seconds.